Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something completely different. I've got this. This is Takamori Kosan butter and soy sauce spaghetti. It came in an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount if you want to get one of those bad boys. And yeah, this is Japanese butter and soy sauce spaghetti. Okay? So the first thing we do, this is definitely not my normal thing. We're gonna take some onions, drop them in, like so. Like so. So what? So yeah. And they're gonna start to go. I hear them going currently. Here's the actual stuff. We're also not just gonna have onions, because that would be tragic. I cut up a little bit of chashu. So this is some marinated wondrous pork belly for your approval or disapproval. Yeah. Oh, what just happened? Oh, so I tried out that chili crisp that I dumped into the one that I reviewed last, this Indonesian one. That chili crisp is where it's at. I get it now. There's like lots of yum yums in there. Yum yum sauce. That's what I'd call it. I think there's a sauce actually called yum yum sauce. I guess that's kind of in the world of edible things, you don't want to use the word yummy or something like that. I have no problem. I like the word yummy. If something's really good, I'm going to exclaim, oh man, yummy! But rarely am I going to be so tongue-tied that I can't think of a normal word to say other than yummy. That's just not one of my talky words. I don't use my face hole with the word yummy, really. However, this smells yummy. I just threw a little cooking spray down. Probably don't even need to do that, considering chashu is really fatty. It's like, they should just call it fatty pork. It's I hate to say it, folks, it's yummy. Now, I think we're ready for the good stuff. The other good stuff. So now I'm going to drop the spaghetti in. Here's the spaghetti. So we're kind of cooking this just like yakisoba, although we do add a couple tablespoons of water. I used to make yakisoba constantly. Then I went on a diet. But I used to make, I've got this one pot, skillet, what have you, that's freaking enormous. I mean, it doesn't even fit on the stove. And it's not a wok. I had one of those and I just never got there. I never learned to, you gotta walk before you run, but I ran before I yakisoba. I don't know what I'm talking about. There's been a lot of that going on around here lately. Like, I don't know what I'm saying. That's okay. Been kind of busy lately. A lot of stuff going on. A lot of family stuff. Not bad stuff, but just a lot of stuff, you know? That's what I was forgetting, to turn off the heat. So this is butter and soy sauce spaghetti. And actually, I've got a buddy that works at Takamori Kosan. I think he's the general manager of Takamori Kosan. And he plays saxophone? Yeah. He's a saxophonist. But not a saxophony, that's for sure. But yeah, I did a Meet the Manufacturer with them. Gosh, I want to say that was like one of the third or fourth Meet the Manufacturers I did. Third or fourth series. And their stuff is off the hook. That was the first time I ever tried like Shio Yakisoba. And actually I've had their Neapolitan spaghetti, which was really quite good as well. I have a feeling this is going to be really good. But I think we're about all done here. And I was thinking of putting it in this fancy bowl, but I need a different fancy bowl. I just need like a carousel that shows me all the bowls I have. Or some kind of laborer. They'll hook me up. Like, yeah, I need one of the bowls. I need this one. Right away, sir. That ain't gonna happen. Like getting all these bowls and plates, but it's such a... I try to keep the ones that I used the most recently at the bottom, but as you can see, or maybe you can see, if you can, there's a lot of bowls and plates and stuff, so they get kind of heavy. Am I being funny? Mimi says I'm funny. I'll take that as a compliment. I'm a little funny. Okay. Let's see if maybe like this? Like so? Yeah, okay. Problem I'm having today is this tripod. It's plastic. It was like $4 on Amazon, but it's got a suction cup on the bottom. Because I've got this new cooktop that, yeah. Oh, I gotta try this stuff, don't I? So the Umai crate people, I guess the Japan crate people. See what I mean? God damn it. Fuck. Is it still on? Are you still alive? Good Christ. Fucking A. Warning, this has become a swearing episode. Fuck. Plus, it's still my mom's birthday. Oh, shit. Yeah. Okay. I'll stop. But yeah, the thing has gotten all limp and weak and jacked up. So it's like... That's the second time the thing has just fallen off today. And it's pissing me off to no end. I need to get some kind of suction cup thing with the tripod on it, that doesn't do that. That locks down because this tripod's going to be gone. And if that tripod, or not the tripod, but if the camera, if the camera gets killed, that's the end of the show. Because there's no way I can pull this off not using the 360 cam. It works so well with this. I can like see what you're seeing. If I'm just using my phone, forget about it. Not happening. So let's see. Ugh, piece of crap. See, it just... Okay, now don't fall off, you jerk. Let me give it a taste. I guess I could taste it afterwards. It looks kind of pretty currently. But yeah, butter soy sauce spaghetti, not yakisoba, spaghetti. That's pretty good. Now, this isn't a regular review, of course, because now it's things that I've added in have really adulterated and modified the flavor. So, but those were, you know, it said bacon and onion were things to add in, but I think Umai Crate always says bacon and onion. They mentioned that with like a Tom Yum, which I thought was really out of the realm of reality. That's okay. Alright, rotate-o, rotate. A pinch of chili flake. Another pinch. Ouch! Alright, well, pardon my French, this tripod thing, there it is. It's sad. It's really sad state of affairs here. The old one was magnetic, and obviously this is one of those ceramic ranges. I miss my old oven, or the old stovetop. It worked so well. And they got this new fancy black one. It's cool, but I could spray 409 on the old one. This thing, like all I got are threats and warnings. Don't put this on the stove. Don't put that on the stove. You're gonna destroy the stove. So. But yeah. Anyways, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one. Bye.